Hi everybody, just coming back today to show you a little more complicated project that I made this week. Let me know what you think if you'd like to see a tutorial on this. This is a folio that I can keep some of my smaller pieces that I've made in, like all my stamps that we were doing last time to make the labels and such. I need to have a place to collect those together, but also so I can see what I have. Because I'm a very visual person, I like to be able to see things, and hence why my craft room looks the way it does. But this I made out of 2 cereal boxes of the same size. I glued them back to make the cover. It's a nice sturdy cover. You can see it has 3 signatures in it. Each of the signatures has 3 pages folded in half, sewn in. So that's 9 pages, 4 sides, so 36 pages, 36 sides of pockets. So I've sewn in made a visible sewing on the spine. I like this gold cord, so that's not a big deal to me. And I, collaged the cover. I have some vintage paper that I bought off eBay. This was a call log from like the 60s when they wrote down their long distance phone calls. And then these pages, I believe I downloaded these off the Graphics Fairy, but they're really quite beautiful. And I love the colors of them and stamps and the random writing on it. And then I put 2 eyelets and some string to close the end, because I know this little baby's going to get fat once I start putting a bunch of stuff in it. Alright, and then I collaged the inside cover as well, with just more of that vintage paper and some more graphic pieces left over from another project. Then my pages are collaged onto a base, and then I use some napkin collaged page over music on one side, and then the other side I have music and a book about growing plants and a cookbook that I pulled pages out of to make them look pretty. So this is about 3 thicknesses of paper, so it's a little more sturdy because I want to be able to take things in and out of it, you know, cards, my little labels. And you can still see what you have behind the pocket. The pockets are made of vellum, so I could see it. I would have loved to have acetate, but I didn't have any, so I just used what I had at hand. I found a pack of vellum at the thrift store for like $1, so I was like, okay, here we go. The last folio I made, I only glued the edges, but it didn't seem as sturdy, so this time I went ahead and sewed all around to close the pockets in. So I had to make sure that on both sides they were at the same level so it would close the bottom. But yeah, I just did some collaging. Some pages are whole pages, like this pretty napkin on a dictionary page. Some more recipe, music, that pretty picture. So even when I don't have things in here, the book's still pretty. Some birds there. This is from a coin book behind there. I just love that. Alright, we've got, this one has a couple bigger pockets because I have some things that are taller, so they'll need a little more space, and then I still have a little pocket up top that I can use. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Just love that. And I left some space in between the signatures so that you can see the spine there, but it still looks pretty. It's collaged with the same paper, so I left a little room for expansion. This is my favorite napkin. I love this. I made a book for my niece using that one on the cover. Oh, gorgeous. I love it. So lots and lots of pockets. Each page is different and unique. It's kind of cool. I like this cookbook too. It's got handwritten recipes in it. It's one of these, it's a moose wood cookbook from Molly Katzen, but it's just really cool to have the handwritten recipes in the book. So I just thought that was awesome to use. Some more birds. Love is a many splendored thing, isn't it? Yes. And this is the 3rd signature. Got some butterflies on that one. Some more butterflies. Some more out of that plant book. Using herbs. Another napkin. Oh, this page came out of a book for diagrams of radios. So that was pretty technical looking. That's cool. I like that one. Let's see, some more beautiful napkins. And then the birds on the back. And then there's the back cover. More of that vintage paper. I did some little stamps on it, but I may go back and decorate it a little more. And then there's the back. So again, let me know if you would like me to do a longer series of tutorials to make something more complex like this. I'd be glad to do that and do this on camera. There we go. Thanks for watching and thanks for stopping by. If you like this kind of tutorial, please let me know. If you like my channel, please hit subscribe and the like button. Give me a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.